This February 5th, Marian students were given the opportunity to celebrate the Chinese Lunar New Year.
Okay, thank you. So we're going to start.
The event took place during the school day and was open to all students. Girls participated in making traditional Chinese food, like dumplings. They played games such as jianzi, a traditional Chinese sport involving a feathered shuttle. The object of the game is to keep the shuttle in the air as long as possible. The goal of the event was to bring girls together, to learn about Chinese culture through various activities and speakers.
So today I'll bring one song.
Guests were invited to speak on their heritage, play instruments, and even do calligraphy. There was a great turnout, and girls had a lot of fun sharing in Chinese traditions. This was all hosted and facilitated by Mandarin teacher Miss Mills and Unity Club.
My name is Sitong Mills. In Unity Club, students can learn each other's culture background. All Marian girls come together and enjoy a variety of cultures and get better understanding of each other's culture. The so-called Chinese New Year, some people know as Lunar New Year, and 春节, which means Spring Festival. This is a celebration, a festival for celebrating spring's coming. We have dragon dances. That dragon dances my students' favorite part. Very important core value of Marian core value is compassion. And so without knowing each other's culture, then how can you really say, I care about you? That's the meaning of culture exchanging. You make other people's life easier or happier.
Unity Club founder, Senior Azumi Huang Fujiwara, speaks on why she chose to organize the event and why it is important to celebrate other cultures' holidays and traditions.
We chose to celebrate the Lunar New Year just because it has a lot to do with newness. Lunar New Year was on February 17th this year. I think it's really important to celebrate these things because we do in fact go to Marian, which is a predominantly white institution, but we also have to understand that everybody's cultures and backgrounds is really rich and that there's so many stories that we have that we can't tell just by looking at us.
The lunar celebration would not have been possible without the efforts of Unity Club and the interest of all who attended. The more people who attend these events, the more likely that future ones can happen, celebrating and sharing cultures from around the world. This sentiment is echoed by all involved, that culture brings people together, not through our similarities, but through our differences.
It has to come from their heart.
This has been Madeline Iske reporting for the Marian Mbeat.